At the break of dawn, our journey begins within a high-tech sanctuary where nature's purity meets the precision of advanced artificial intelligence monitoring systems today. The air is filled with the soft hum of progress as specialized drones perform real-time health checks on every single tree across the vast emerald plantation. Each pod is a vessel of potential, nurtured by smart irrigation and watched over by digital eyes that ensure only the most perfect fruit is chosen. Precision robotics handle the harvest with a delicate touch, mimicking the wisdom of human hands while maintaining the absolute efficiency of a modern automated ecosystem. Self-driving transport units navigate the orchard floors seamlessly, collecting the harvest and delivering these treasures to the central processing hub for the next vital phase. In the processing center, ultrasonic technology gently opens the pods, revealing the pristine white beans that hold the secret to the world's finest chocolate flavors. The beans are carefully separated from their shells, ensuring that every seed remains intact and ready for the complex biological transformation that lies just ahead now. This is the origin of excellence, a seamless blend of biological wonder and mechanical mastery that sets the stage for a truly magnificent culinary masterpiece today. We enter the sanctum of transformation where smart fermentation tanks use artificial intelligence to regulate temperature and humidity with incredible scientific precision and constant care. Every chemical reaction is monitored in real time as the beans begin their metamorphosis, developing the foundational aromas that define the character of the final chocolate. Inside each bean, a miracle occurs as complex enzymes break down proteins and sugars, shifting the color from pale white to a rich and vibrant mahogany. The fermented beans are now transitioned to the drying phase, where gentle infrared heat mimics the sun's warmth to lock in the newly developed aromatic profiles. Our automated vents adjust to the external environment, creating a perfect microclimate that ensures uniform drying and prevents any bitterness from marring the delicate bean flavor. Slowly and steadily, the moisture leaves the beans, concentrating the essence of the cacao and preparing it for the intense heat of the roasting drums ahead. Quality control is never left to chance as digital sensors verify the exact moisture content of every batch to guarantee long-term stability and flavor consistency. The dried beans are now resilient and aromatic, ready to leave the farm's embrace and enter the heart of the factory for their ultimate flavor awakening. These beans represent the perfect marriage of nature's bounty and digital logic, waiting for the moment they will be transformed into liquid gold by machines. The transformation continues as we move from the cool light of the fermentation lab into the intense, warm energy of the high-precision roasting facility today. Massive drums of polished steel begin to rotate, initiating the roasting process where heat becomes the catalyst for the most significant flavor release in the journey. Optical laser sensors scan the surface of every bean, adjusting the flame intensity in milliseconds to ensure an even roast that perfectly matches the master profile. As the temperature rises, over 600 volatile compounds are released, filling the air with the unmistakable and intoxicating scent of world-class chocolate in the making. The roasting is halted at the exact peak of perfection, followed by a rapid cooling process that preserves the delicate top notes of the cacao bean. Powerful jets of air are used to crack the brittle shells, separating the unwanted husks from the precious cacao nibs that contain all the rich fats. Behold the cacao nibs, the purest form of chocolate essence, now cleaned and sorted, ready to be ground into a smooth and flowing liquid state soon. This mechanical precision ensures that only the heart of the bean moves forward, eliminating any impurities that could affect the final texture or the taste profile. Through a network of glass arteries, the nibs flow toward the grinding stones, a visual symphony of texture and movement in our fully automated production line. Every fragment is a powerhouse of flavor, waiting to be crushed and refined into the silky, smooth consistency that defines the luxury of high-end chocolate products. The system maintains a perfect rhythm, balancing the intake of raw nibs with the processing power of our grinders to ensure a flawless and continuous production flow. The grinding begins as heavy stone wheels crush the nibs, releasing the natural fats and transforming solid fragments into a rich, dark, and aromatic cocoa liquor. What was once a bean is now a liquid, a dense and potent flow of pure chocolate energy that serves as the foundation for all our creations. We move to the conching phase, where patience is the primary ingredient, as mechanical paddles knead the chocolate for dozens of hours to develop ultimate smoothness. This constant motion aerates the chocolate, removing acidic notes and polishing the particles until they are smaller than the human tongue can even perceive or detect. Additional cocoa butter is introduced with milligram precision by robotic arms, enhancing the creaminess and ensuring a luxurious melt-in-your-mouth experience for every lucky consumer who tastes. Sweetness and cream are added in a fine mist, blending instantly with the dark liquor to create the perfect balance of flavor that characterizes our signature blend. Real-time analytics confirm the refinement as we push the boundaries of physics to reach a particle size of under 20 microns for unparalleled silkiness and texture. In this hall of patience, technology works tirelessly, performing a task that once took days of manual labor with absolute consistency and perfect repeatable quality results. Observe the gloss and the flow of the refined chocolate, a visual testament to the success of the conching process and the mastery of our automated systems. Every batch is verified by advanced sensors that measure viscosity and chemical composition, ensuring that the flavor profile matches our elite standards of culinary excellence today. The refined chocolate is now ready to be tempered, traveling through temperature-controlled pipes toward the final stage of crystallization and artistic shaping in the lab. Science and art converge as we begin the tempering process, a delicate dance of heating and cooling that will give the chocolate its final snap and shine. The tempering curve is followed with extreme precision, carefully controlling the formation of stable cocoa butter crystals to ensure a flawless finish and perfect structural integrity. Even the traditional cooling methods are enhanced by robotics, maintaining a consistent temperature across the entire mass for a uniform snap in every single chocolate bar. Beyond simple bars, our 3D robotic nozzles create complex architectural shapes that were once impossible to achieve by hand, pushing the limits of modern food design. Molds are filled with surgical precision, ensuring that every piece is identical in weight and volume, reflecting the perfection that only high-level automation can provide us. The chocolates enter the cooling tunnel to set their structure, emerging with a brilliant gloss that reflects the light like a polished dark gemstone of pure flavor. For the final touch, laser technology etches our signature logo with hair-thin precision, marking each piece as a certified masterpiece of modern culinary and technological art. Luxury is added by hand and machine alike, as edible gold leaf is applied to specific pieces, creating a visual experience as rich as the chocolate itself. The perfect snap is the ultimate proof of successful tempering, a sound that signals quality and a texture that promises an explosion of rich cacao flavors soon. A gallery of edible art stands ready, each piece a result of 1,000 data points and the finest natural ingredients harvested from our smart, sustainable plantations. In this final stage, technology and human expertise shake hands, ensuring that only the most flawless creations proceed to the final step of their long, amazing journey. Packaging is an art form of its own, as high-speed robots gently nestle each chocolate into luxury boxes designed to protect their delicate structure and intricate beauty. Every box is fitted with a smart label, allowing customers to trace the journey of their chocolate back to the very tree and date it was harvested. One last scan ensures that every package is perfect, sealing the promise of quality that has been maintained from the first drone flight over the cacao groves. The moment of revelation arrives as the box is opened, revealing the glistening treasures that have been crafted with the perfect harmony of nature and artificial intelligence. Experience the culmination of our efforts in a single bite, where the complexity of the bean meets the smoothness of advanced engineering for a truly divine taste. From the soil to the soul, we have witnessed a transformation powered by logic and inspired by flavor, redefining what is possible in the world of fine food. Even as the sun sets, our automated systems continue their work, perfecting the next batch of liquid gold for the chocolate lovers of the future world today. We are building a sustainable future where technology protects the planet and enhances our sensory experiences, one incredible cacao bean at a time for all humanity. This is not just production, it is the evolution of taste, a journey from the earth to the digital age, captured in the heart of our premium chocolate. Join us in the future of flavor. Experience the essence of excellence created by the perfect union of nature's bounty and the power of artificial intelligence.